Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm stopping here at Daval's Used Furniture and Antiques up in Hastings, Michigan. Just stopped in at Tractor Supply and picked up a tractor. I'm having a pretty good day.
Good. What you hunting for today?
Oh, all kinds of stuff. You never know what I'm going to find.
Okay. You've been here before, haven't you?
Many times.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I used to have a sales route that went through Hastings, and I stopped here once a week, but I get up here about once a year.
Okay. What'd you do for sales?
Radio. I sold radio advertising.
Oh, okay.
You want to talk about a thankless job? Try selling somebody something they can't see, can't taste, and can't touch.
Oh, it's tough.
And 9 times out of 10, doesn't work.
No, it doesn't. They always are looking for guys to do that, and I think that's why. Just what you stated, it's kind of a thankless job.
Yeah, and you end up about a year into it going, you know, I could do almost anything for this amount of money.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I live in Richland now.
Oh, yeah. Is there an antique store there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep, 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah.
Now I have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is Old Sneelock's Workshop. And what I do is I buy broken tools,
Sure.
and I fix them. Antique tools, you know, like dull drill bits. I buy those, I sharpen them up. Sometimes I sell them on eBay. Most of the time, you buy them for little, you can't sell them for much more, so they end up sitting on the shelf down the basement. My son has finally said, Dad, I don't need any more drill bits.
Yeah, they do come in handy, there's no doubt about it. I always admired somebody that knew how to sharpen a drill bit. It's not as easy as what it looks.
Once you figure it out, it's not hard, but it's when you say you look at one of those twist drill bits down there.
Uh-huh.
People sharpen them, they sharpen the wrong side. They file it down so that it's away from the screw, because they filed on the side where the screw is. You file on the opposite side, you're okay. You file the other side, it drops down away from the screw. Then when you turn it in, the screw gets down to the wood, the cutting edge isn't there yet, and the screw strips out. And people say, well, the drill bit's no good. You actually have to go through and restructure the whole front end of the file, or front end of the drill bit. It can be done. I've done it just to prove you could do it, but drill bit costs $1, you know. Maybe if you spend a lot of money, you can get one for $10, $12, but by the time you sharpen the thing, you could have went town and bought a new one. So most people don't bother. I do, just because I like doing it.
There are drill bits, drill bits are not all made the same, that's for sure.
Yep.
We have some, I don't know, we pulled out a toolbox and these were actually a separate sheet. And I knew by looking at them that they were a bit more on the more expensive side as far as drill bits go.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we sold them.
Now that's a nice axe. The big broad axe down there?
Yeah, we don't get those very often. Maybe they're in the other case.
It's a good price on it too.
It is a good price. You don't get one that wide very often. Yeah, these Amco drill bits and those carbon sleeves.
Oh, okay.
Those suckers are not cheap.
No.
We looked up the prices on those, and those are actually about half the price they sell for brand new.
Yep.
Those are some awfully expensive drill bits. But you know, you can go up to, I don't know, Midwest Tool Supplies up there on Division.
Mm-hmm.
And you want a decent drill bit set, you'd be prepared to spend $400 or $500 on some good drill bits. Now, I don't machine drill that much or metal or things like that, but those guys that do, they spend the money on them.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're worth it. How you doing?
Just fine, thank you. Oh, excuse me.
No, you're fine.
Video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.